Right, Mr. Ray, Mr. Adrit, everyone start your cameras. So what happened today? So I only forgot that which grade class I had. So I started some other grade. I started grade 3. Then I realized that it's grade 5. So anyway, kids, आज हम will not study much. So we will talk a little bit. And how are you guys feeling coming to grade 5? So everyone will tell one good thing and one bad thing that's like happening when they are coming to grade 5 or so. Okay, so let's start with Radhu, Goddess Radhu. And see, keeping your camera on is compulsory, everyone knows, but Mr. Ray, as usual, is a rule breaker, our rule breaker. So yes, so let's start with Goddess. So one good thing and one bad thing about coming to grade 5. Miss Radhu, is she disconnected?
Sir, your voice is
Beta, you have a bad
cracking.
network. राधु आपका नेटवर्क गुड नहीं है, आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर लो और अनम्यूट कर लो. ओके, अगर आपका नेटवर्क इज नॉट गुड, दैट्स अ वे वी कैन turn off our video and unmute ourselves. So let's start with Ray. Ray, what's one good thing, one bad thing about growing up?
Sir, one good thing I am growing up and one bad thing I am growing up.
That's great. That's great. Next, the chance goes to Princess.
Sir, the good thing is that I learn new things, and the bad thing is I am scared about the class teacher. Who is it?
You are scared about a class teacher?
Vashvi,
Who is
the
the
class
class teacher?
teacher
Who
is
is scaring?
Bhavleen ma'am.
Who is scaring you?
Yeah, yeah,
Princess?
that's the scary part.
You let me know,
I
beta. I will do something about her. So next chance goes to Adrit.
The one good thing is that we are starting with pens and I am growing and class fifth is a class when you become big. And
Yes.
one bad thing is that I'm picking up French, not Punjabi this time.
That's a
I
bad
hope.
thing.
Yes, I'm leaving Punjabi or I top in Punjabi always.
Okay, so you will be doing French. But a few kids like French like anything, but some are not able to like a foreign language that much, so it's okay. So you might like it, you may not like it. If you don't like it, I think, is there an option to change it later? I don't think
No,
so. No, I don't think so. Cambridge में option होगा.
but
So
it's
Adrit,
good because
yes,
when
this time beta you buy the maths workbook at least अभी से ही buy कर लो आप.
sir, our school has given it this time.
They have given it this time, okay. Normally they used to give from grade 6, but it's good they have given it this time to you. Or if your teacher doesn't give the answers, you can take the answers of workbook and learner's book from me. All
Okay,
right.
all right.
So, Abhita, one good thing and one bad thing.
One good thing is that I wanted to write with pen, but everyone is saying that pen spoil your writing. Bad thing is, I don't know.
Okay, so this year pens will be introduced to you if not already. So make sure everyone write with gel pens only. No dot pens. Dot pens spoil your handwriting.
So
So you
only refill pens are allowed in mine.
refill pen are allowed means?
Only refill are allowed, no gel pen, ball pen.
What are refill pens? The ink pens?
in which we can refill the ink.
Okay, those are ink pens. Na? Yeah, ink pens are also good. They don't spoil the handwriting. So even ink pens are good. So Radhu,
Yes, sir.
so you will
Sir,
tell, no, yes, you will tell
sir,
us something different.
sir, what?
You
Okay.
will,
Sir,
you will
the good
tell,
thing,
you will tell who is the naughtiest boy in the class. Who is the naughtiest boy in the class?
sir, every boy in our class, I can say that.
So you mean to say Adrit is also naughty?
No, 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 in my class, 5C now.
In 5C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, I'm asking about this class. Who is the naughtiest kid in this
Sir,
class?
I don't know.
You don't know? You have to say some name. So
Sir, no.
see, till last year, Ray was the, absolute winner. But this year he has some competition. Now, who will give competition to Ray will come to know in due time. So, Bhumi, you want to say something?
No, sir.
No. And Mr. Sharma, please introduce yourself.
My name is Abhyuday.
All right.
I'm in class 5D,
Okay.
school DPS.
All right.
My age, I'm just 10 years old.
Okay. It's just 10. So, you want to be like 20 or something?
No,
No. Okay. What are your hobbies?
I like to do maths. I like to play football and and many more
And many what?
things.
Many more things.
Yes.
Okay. That's great. So, Mr. Om Chaube, please introduce yourself.
Um, what type of? I'm 10 years old and
That's great to know. That's great to know. What else?
um uh there's nothing to introduce. I don't have anything to introduce.
You have to introduce something. Now, first of all, are you a boy or a girl? You have to tell us.
I'm obviously a boy.
It's obviously a boy. What are your hobbies?
I like playing football and I like singing and playing chess.
All right, singing and playing chess. So, Miss Bhumi, please introduce yourself. Mr. Bhumi, please introduce yourself.
Not only.
My name is Abhyuday Singh Zadana. I am in 4th class now, and
You
my
are in
hobbies.
fourth class
Yes, sir.
or fifth class?
Sir, 4th.
You are in fourth?
Yes, sir.
Better than I'll put you in another batch. You have not come in fifth grade 5. Abhi aapne four. You gave the exam for fourth or fifth.
3rd.
You gave the exam for third.
Yes, sir.
Better than it's wrong batch for you. I will put you in the other batch. I will talk to your mom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. I don't know how I mixed it up. चलो ठीक है. Never mind. अभी आप class attend. You can leave this class, beta. I'll ask your mom to, I'll put you in another batch. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Bye, Mr. Boom, Mr. You and Bhumi.
Okay, sir. Bye.
You want to give introduction before you go? You can give your introduction before you go.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So give your introduction. Tell your full name. Tell your hobbies.
My name is Abhyuday Singh Zadon, and I am in 4th class. My hobby is football and chess. I my I I have an academy of football. The name of academy is MLT.
All right. That's great. So, what are your hobbies other than troubling others? What are your hobbies? One hobby is to trouble others. That's a very good hobby. You are in like a race. You could have become very good friends with Ray. What is your second hobby?
Um,
Only one hobby.
yes, sir.
That's great. That's great. Okay, beta, I'll talk to your mom. It's my mistake, I guess. Okay? I'll talk to your mom. I'll put you in another batch.
Okay, sir.
Bye, Mr. Bayu.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
So, Om, I think you are in grade 5 only.
Okay, sir.
Om, you are in grade 5 now?
Okay, I am leaving, sir.
Okay, bye, Bayu. Navdeep, you are also in grade 5?
Yes, I'm in grade
All
5.
right. All right. Okay.
I mean, I am
Sir, I
about
am.
to do.
So, those who are new and even those who are old, what different I'm going to do this year is that first of all, I will try teaching you on smartboard also. It's not like your school smartboard, it's a better version of it. So I will try teaching you on that also. I'll get it installed today, not today, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. If it works well, if this way of mode of teaching works better, then we'll continue with this mode. But I think smartboard, if you properly, used, is a better mode of teaching. Then I will try to send notebooks as well for you. Notebooks by mean that you use during the class. The reason for it is because you don't do very neat. Some of you, like we have great people, like great people in our batch. So they don't do like normal kids. They write thesis in Arabic. When they do maths, instead of doing maths, I will show you how they do it. So they write like this, Arabic like this, which I cannot understand. They cannot understand. 7, they will write it like this, something, something, something. So to avoid that, I will give you a notebook so that whatever classwork is done is saved. Okay. And till the time you get your notebooks, I want to tell you one thing how to do. Now, why am I not asking you to purchase that notebook? Because I will specially make it for you in which you have to do it with the exact pattern I want you to follow. So that's why it will not be a normal notebook that you get in the market, but I will customize the pages and everything according to what is required. Second thing, till the time you get the notebook, I want to tell you that whatever work you have to do, you have to write the question number of the day. If you have to multiply 72 multiplied by 12, you need to multiply it like this. Now, what's different in this multiplication? What I mean to say, आप कुछ भी work ऐसे नहीं करोगे slant. Everything should be vertical. Next question आया 2512 plus 490. ऐसे करा आपने solve. समझ आया आपको? Getting it? आपको vertically करना है. अब आप बोलो कि space is getting wasted. So if your space is getting wasted and you think आपके पेज में sufficient space है, draw a line like this, then start doing question number 3 here. It should be neat. I want neat work, shabby work नहीं चाहिए. जल्दी में shabby work मत करके.
Sir, can you repeat? I left by mistake.
बेटा, what I am saying is, आपको जो work करना है ना, you have to do it vertically. You don't have to do it like slanting way. या फिर आपको बहुत ज्यादा you don't have to mix the questions, mix the numbers with each other. This is what I am saying. आपको from top to bottom करना है. If you want to use the right side of the page, draw a line in the middle, then write it 3 and then do it. Secondly, a word problem आया or where you have to write. Adrit, your camera is not properly visible. Mr. Adrit. Yes.
Sir, it's a little bit a cover problem. It will happen.
Beta, you put tape or something on it, na? Chalo, put
Okay,
it from
sir.
next class. Put it from next class. It's okay. So now what am I saying? What was I saying about the doing it vertically? Now a word problem comes. So in your school, how you will write number of students, let's say in grade 5. आप ऐसे लिखोगे एक word problem है, there is a word problem where you have to do the total. So grade 5 में let's say there are 490 students. Grade 6 में you will write number of students in grade 6. This is how you write in for your school, right? Now total number of students. Guys, speak up. We all know each other. I'm not that strict teacher of Princess. This is how you do. Yes or no for your school exam. But here, because of limited time, you will just write grade 5 in the class. 490. Grade 6, 240. Total 730. Remember, when you give me the answer, if it is rupees, oh, I am writing, I can write it sometime. You are not allowed, okay? So if it is rupees, if it is kg, if it is gram, I want the answer in the chat with the proper unit also. Do we understand?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, so like grade 5 and grade 6, so the total is 730. So we have to write students along with it.
Beta class mein you can skip for your but units like rupees, kg, gram must be mentioned. Class mein because you have to time, it will waste our time. But in your notebook you have to write. Okay, that's why I will try to make a notebook with you. It's like simple A4 paper with usme customized space hoga. So we'll try to send a small notebook so that you guys work, you know how to write it and you do it neatly. That will be the only motto. So till that time you can do it like this. That also I have to, print and design. So let's see if we can do that. So rest. Om and Navdeep, you are new to the class. So please unmute. First of all, beta, I will give less homework, about 2 hours a week ka homework hota hai, but that you have to do. I will explain properly. आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आया, you ask me once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. Okay? All answers you have to send to me in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All right? So you have to send the answers to me in the chat. Then for this instruction is for all. I will try to include one more teacher in the class just for checking your answers, because when I'm checking your answers it wastes my time also and I cannot explain anyone side by side. So just for checking my answers I might include one more teacher in the class also. So you guys, we can start now or after a 4 minutes break. What do you want? A 4 minutes break then we start, or we start now, talk now, or we do fun now? Whatever, what do you want?
So I have a question.
Yes, Navdeep, ask.
Sir, the teacher that will come, will she be a substitute teacher?
No, beta, there is no substitute. In one, I will be only teaching you. In one session, she also will be there just to check your answers. You will realize that after few classes that I check all answers for all questions that are done in the class. Okay, will not be teaching you. She will not be a substitute teacher. I'll be only teaching. All right, but there she will be there in case, and she is a very strict teacher. I like giving, hearts and stars. She likes giving crosses. So you will have to be careful of her. Okay, everyone. All right, and don't tell her. Don't tell her this. So we'll take a 4 minutes break. You can go to washroom. You can go to drink water. You can fight with each other, talk with each other. So after the break, we will start with studies. Okay. थोड़ा सा start करते हैं आज. All right, guys. Then from next session.
Select my notes.
So all right, everyone, come back. So what is the first chapter since grade 3? Who will guess? First chapter since grade 3.
Addition.
Sir, addition.
Addition. No.
फिर क्या था?
Sir, multiplication.
No.
Division. Funded numbers.
So the first chapter since grade 3 till grade 6 is place values. So we'll start with it firstly. And secondly, did anyone of you get 100 kidzos in last class?
Sir, I
Abhita,
don't remember my
Abhita, I will check. I will check. I have still have the record with me. So one gift I already sent you. That was like according to your kidzos, or you can say that it was a Children's Day gift for
Sir,
me.
are we doing kidzos in this class too?
Yes, we'll do kidzos in this class too. And those who got 100 kidzos will get another gift next month from me. All right, that gift is still pending. So I will check it later. I still have the record. For now, I will start with place values. So, right. So this time we will study Indian as well as international system. So first, you got to tell me in the Indian system 7, 8, 9, 4. Till how many digits we have studied? Have we studied lakhs?
Sir, yes. 10 lakhs.
Lakhs.
I think so. Lakh or 10 lakh.
So what is the number name for this? So have you studied Om, and have you studied till 10 lakhs Om and Navdeep? Yes or no?
Sir, can I give the number name?
No, beta, wait. Just let me ask them how much they have studied. Yes, Om and Navdeep. Navdeep, don't leave your chair, beta, unattended. Otherwise, that strict teacher will give you a cross.
Sir,
Yes.
वैसे I got it.
I have technically studied till crores.
You have studied till crores. So, who, Navdeep, what about you?
Sir, it's in lakhs.
Till
10
lakhs. 10 lakhs. Okay. So, see, first rule, we always start from the right. We always start from the right. Right से क्या start करते हैं? We speak like this. First place is which one? Which place is first?
Sir, once.
Once. Navdeep, Om beta, आज के लिए आप unmute रखो. I need to communicate with you. This is one's place. After ones,
Tens.
tens. After tens,
Hundreds.
hundreds. After hundreds,
Thousands.
Thousands.
thousands. After thousands,
10,000s.
10,000s. After 10,000s,
Lakhs.
Lakh.
lakhs. After lakhs,
10
lakhs.
lakhs.
10 lakhs. All right. So let's speak ones, tens, 100. Abhita, beta, look at the screen. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs. I will tell you when to write. There is no need to write anything. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. All right. Now let's study about the comma system also. In the Indian system, it's 3222222. What it is? 3222222. What does it mean? After every 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, a comma. Then after 1 or 2, comma. Then after 1 or 2, if there was one more digit, we would have put one more comma also. So speak with me. Everyone will unmute and speak with me one more time. Once, everyone unmute and speak with me. Navdeep, Abhita. Once, tens. Just speak with me. Listen, speak with me. Get into the rhythm. Once again, we'll start. Once.
Once.
See, as I'm starting, you will start speaking. Tens.
Tens.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. See, बेटा जैसे ही मैं start करूँ ना, ये start हुआ. Annotation आप hundreds ऐसे आप बोल दोगे. ठीक है? Start. Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Thousand.
How?
Thousand.
बेटा you have to start speaking. यहाँ पे मैंने annotation किया start speaking.
10,000.
Everyone. Thousands, ten
10,000.
thousands, lakhs,
Lakhs.
and 10 lakhs.
Lakhs.
So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. This should be on your tips. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs. And the comma comes after 3 digits, then 2, then 2. Okay. Now who will give me the benefit of comma? Come on quickly. What is the benefit of comma?
So it's easy to realize which one
It's easy to
is
read.
thousands,
Yes,
which
it
one
is
is
easy to read.
hundreds, and which
जैसे
one is
मैं
lakh.
94,232 कर दूं. So it's easy because you can read it in a go. 94,230. Now those kids who are in SPM school, they will use it that some of their teachers don't tell them to use comma, they use spaces. So you write it like this. In place of comma, you use space, right? So those kids who are in SPM, you will have to use space instead of comma. All right. So next, you have to give me the place value of 7. Now, first question, everyone will give the answer to me in the chat. Give me the place value of 7. Should I give an easy one? I'll start with an easy one. Give me the place value of 8.
Place value of it.
No, beta, you have to, everyone has to give the answer in the chat. Guys, I got correct answer from Abhita and Radhya. So rest all have given the wrong answer. It's okay. So it's your first day. So you have the luxury and the strict teacher is not here. So you have the luxury to give wrong answers today. See kids, ये ones place है. This is tens place. But if I ask you the place value of 8, अगर आप tens लिखते हो, तो then it's wrong. You have to write 8 tens or 80. Both are correct. Do we get that? It's 8 tens or 80. So Navdeep, I don't know beta how you got 100. So this is ones, first place is ones, then tens, ones, then tens. Okay, I will start with easy questions. It's your first day, let's take it easy. So next question, place value of, what's your favorite number, Omi, in 1 to 10? Quickly, 1 to 9, quickly, quickly. Om, quickly. Favorite number in 1 to 9. Beta, quickly. बेटा म्यूट अनम्यूट करोगे मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं आएगा कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा अनम्यूट करो प्रॉपरली बोलो योर माइक हैज अ प्रॉब्लम 7 आप अनम्यूट म्यूट करोगे मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट एंड कीप इट अनम्यूट फॉर 5 seconds तभी समझ आएगा सो एवरीवन गिव द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इन दिस So Om and Navdeep, you identified it right. Please unmute. When I call out your name, you get it wrong. Please unmute. Navdeep, unmute, unmute. Quickly, beta, quickly. This is ones place. This is tens, hundreds, thousands, which you got it correct. But when I write the place value, it's not thousand. Only these two will speak. क्या होगा मेरा answer?
Sir, then will it be 7,000 in numbers?
Yes, beta. It will be 7,000s. Now you write it like this. Now you write it like this. Or you write it in words. They can be correct.
Yes.
But it is not thousands akela. It is 7,000s. I'm giving one more question to you, Navdeep and Om. 6 का मुझे बताओ Om. आप बताओ 6 की place value क्या होगी in this number? Yes, beta. बेटा देयर सीम्स टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम विद योर माइक. आप जो बोल रहे हो मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. आप चैट पे लिख दो मुझे. ठीक है, चैट पे लिख दो. So now you give this answer, everyone, to me. Place value of 7 in the okay Om and Navdeep, it's correct. So place value of 7 in the Indian place value system. Let's see if you can get it right. Wait, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. I have not told you this. Let me change it a little bit for you. Now, I made a little bit easier for you. Now you have to tell me the place value of 7. Everyone in the chat. So Abhita, from next time, if you put comma, you make sure you put all the commas. Princes.
Sir, I just realized I did it wrong. Sorry.
Yes, you can send me again. Om, your answer is also not correct. It's okay to make mistake, guys. There is no problem if you make mistake. I will intentionally give you tough questions so that you make mistake. All right, Navdeep. So Princess and Om, you can, give a second try also. And Om, I am not able to hear anything you are saying. आपके mic में कुछ problem है. I'll ask, you can ask your parents to get it fixed before the next class, okay? Or I'll text them. Princess, it's still wrong. So see, first way is you write this in your notebook. Then you put commas. Then Chip, Princess, what's the place value of 7?
Sir, 70 crore.
70?
Sir, crore after lakh. Right?
Beta, first see, let's
One
count it
second,
together.
sir. Yes, lakh. 70 lakh.
Okay, but we will have to go through that game again. Every time you get an answer wrong, Om and Princess, we have to go through that game again. Let's start once. Speak with me once.
One,
Om, you also unmute. Tens,
tens,
then hundreds. Quickly.
hundreds,
Speak with me. Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Speak with me, beta. Speak with me, not after me. Lakh, 10 lakh. So we got what? 10 lakh. So the place value of 7 is 10 lakh. Now you can write 10 lakh means 70 lakhs because you got the place value.
Yes.
Now, if you are feeling lazy, you don't want to do this, you are Ray, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray sometimes feels lazy. So what you do, you just write 7, जितने digits हैं सबको 0 बना दो आगे. Whatever place value होने दो, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. This is the correct answer. If you feel lazy, which you shouldn't, but if you ever do, this is the way you do it. 7 के बाद जितने digits हैं सबको 0 बना. Have we understood this method also? Yes. Okay. So let's say what next question is a trick question. You want to do a trick question? Let's do it. Give me the place value of 0. Let's see if you can get it right.
Sir, there are 2 zeros.
I don't know. I won't help and I will give you a star for this question. So if you are naughty like Ray, you will get it correct. No, Navdeep, you missed the star. So kitten and Om. Kitten, you will miss the star. You will get a tick. I will tell you a reason why you missed the star. Om, I did not get your answer. No, Om, you also did not get it correct. See, place value of 0 is always 0. It doesn't matter where the 0 comes. It is always 0. You write 0 tens, 0. 0 lakhs, 0. So if you have anything of 0, it doesn't mean anything. Will 0 chocolates make you happy? Will 0,000 chocolates make you happy? No, because 0's place value is 0. It doesn't count. Do we get that, Om? So next, we will see the place value again. Everyone has to unmute and speak with me because we'll play this place value game again and again and again. Everyone unmute, speak with me. I'm going to write a big number this time. So let's see. So should I put commas? I will put commas. So everyone will speak with me. Abhita unmute, Navdeep unmute, Ray unmute, Pita. Be quick, quick, quick. So it's Prince is unmute. So everyone will speak with me, not after me. Once,
One,
tens,
hundred,
hundreds, thousands,
thousand,
10,000s, lakhs,
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 10 lakhs,
crores,
crores,
and 10 crores.
10 crores.
So this much money Radu has, and she has promised me she will give me when she grows up. So she has 68 crores, 92 lakhs, 32,000 and 132. Let me show you the commas which will help me to write properly. देखो एक बार मुझे मिल गया first. This is 68 crores because this was 10 crores. Then this is going to be 92 lakhs, 32,132. So this must be in your tips. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. All right, do we get that, kids? Now you have to give me quickly the place value of this. Place value of 7. Place value of 7.
Place value of
7.
Cent.
All right, Mr. Ray, Abita, and Princess, correct answer, and Adrit, correct, and Mr. Om, correct, and Navdeep, and give your answer quickly. Quickly, beta, quickly. Yes, Navdeep, it's also correct. Yes, so the place value is 7 crores. We have understood this. All right. Fair enough. We have understood. That's great. All right. What else? Next is expanded form that we are going to do in the next class. For now, I will give you write the number
Sir,
name.
expanded form, please.
Not today. It's
Sir.
boring. It's boring.
so just one.
Sir, it's the most
80
fun thing
lakhs.
ever.
So just one.
Let me check how well you know. First of all, I will start with thousands. 8,800. Now you use spaces, you use commas. It's up to you. But everyone now, this is the time you start writing in your notebook. Write question number 1 or 2, whatever it is. If you have done previous questions or question 3, just write the answer there. And if you get it right, you tick it. If you don't get it right, you cross it. And whatever you write in your notebook, then send it to me in the chat. Oh, I gave you a really easy one.
Sir, why is it question number 3?
But I'm saying just because I have given previous questions also. So whatever it is, according to you, whichever question, if you have written more questions in your notebook, then you can write. So goddess, where is goddess? Goddess is sent? No. All right. Navdeep. Beta, your maths is your hobby. So you have to give the answer quickly. The 8,800. This is 8,800. So see first hundreds jo hoti hai na, this is ones, tens, hundreds. This whole is called which period? This is called ones period. Everyone knows this? Ones period. Like if I have to write 800, I will write it like this. This is ones, tens, hundreds. This 3 digits together is called ones period. After that, it is thousands period. Now, thousands period में 2 digits होती हैं. How many digits are there? 2. अगर यहाँ पे होता 17,000 तो हम लिख देते 17. राइट पर यहाँ पे 17 नहीं है, केवल 8 है, तो I will write 8 only. And what about this? This you can write 0 or just not, don't write anything, because 0 at the start does not have any meaning. 0 at the start is of no use or no meaning. Navdeep, did you understand? The correct answer will be 8,800.
Sir, I mistakenly misread, and when I spoke the word, I said 80 and I thought but there is
It's
one.
okay, beta. Like I said, today the strict teacher is not there. So it's okay, you can make mistake. Now next one. 70,070. So again you will write neatly. If you get that right, आप एक tick दे दो अपने आप को. If you don't got the previous question right or this one, you give a small cross if you want. If you don't want, you can mark it something like you got wrong so that you can practice again. All right, everyone got it right. That's great. I can go to the lakhs now. So Radu has promised crores. So who promised lakhs to me last year? Someone promised 17 lakhs. Someone promised 17 lakhs when they grow up to me. 7,000 and 700. Who was it, Radu? Do you remember who promised 70 lakhs, 7,000 and 700? Do you think it was Princess?
I don't know.
Sir, I remember that I didn't promise that.
Ray, beta, have you got your eyes checked? Good time, beta. Good time to get them checked. So, Om, there is a slight mistake. Goddess is correct. Navdeep is correct. And Mickey is correct. And Princess is correct. And Kitten and Ray
I
both
thought it was 70.
need to get their eyes checked. So first of all, one of you made a mistake. Om, the mistake you did was, let me explain. First of all, in ones place there are 3 digits, then in thousands, then in lakhs. So we got 17 lakhs up. You can write it from the right or you can write it from the left. जैसे आपको comfortable हो. Should I start from the right or left? कैसे कहाँ से start करना है? Let me start from the right. I got 700, 700 in 3 places. I will write it like this. Then 7,000, 7,000 will be written as 07. Then 17 lakhs, 17 lakhs will be written as 17. See, this thousands period has 2 digits in it, not 3. Okay, Om? And what else I was saying? That this is once after writing your answer, you will speak it again before submitting or before, So let me check. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it's 17 lakh, 7,000 and 700. So I hope we have understood and we have studied like a lot today, lot today. We have written many books today. So we will continue writing more books in future. Bye for now, kids. Enjoy. Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
will you give joining on time Giddos?
Yes, beta. Yes, definitely I'll give.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
Sir, what
goddess.
is after 10 crores?
10 crores. Will you give me that?
Sir, I don't know. It
Then,
depends on the future.
all right, all right. So next class, I will tell you what is after 10 crores and even more. Okay, bye, kids. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Yes.
Bye, sir.